Actually, before I end it for today, I thought I should make another video real quick here. I came across this news and honestly, it cracked me up so hard. Like, I was really happy, even though it's not affecting my life at all. It was just exciting, at least, to know there was a win in some way for some guy out there who happens to be a footballer. I'm talking about this guy called Achraf Hakimi. Okay, I don't know if I pronounced that right, but anyway. And his situation going on with his wife. I guess if you don't know, his wife filed for divorce because she came across some allegations that he may have molested or raped some chick while his wife and kids were away. And look, if there's a good chance that he did it. I don't really know this guy, but hey, there's a good chance that he did it because he's wealthy. His wife is older than him, like 12 years older. So I understand if he did what he did, and it is what it is. But like, the issue I don't like is the freaking court system, how it's unfair to men. Cause who knows? Maybe the woman is lying. Maybe he didn't actually do it. Maybe. And what if the person that's saying, "Hey, he did this to me," what if he actually didn't do it? And all of a sudden, the wife jumps the gun and she's like, "Oh well, I'm gonna divorce you and take half your shit." And what really made me laugh, I'm sure some of you already know, his wife filed for divorce, expecting half of his fortune is gonna go to her. And then all of a sudden, she realizes his mom is the one that has 80% of his wealth, 80% of his money. That guy is worth millions. And his mom has 80% of what he has, of what he makes. So his mom is the real G. Shout out to his mom. Well, it's awesome because like I see so many men, well, I don't see, I hear of so many men that I've seen a guy, I've met a guy that has had an issue with his wife taking half of everything and him paying child support and everything else. I've only seen one case, but I've heard of so many cases. So it's a big win and it's a hack in the system, which is awesome. So that's awesome, honestly. I mean, let me just read what I'm seeing here in the news, okay? According to this Siyasat Daily, the couple began dating in 2018 when Hakimi was only 19 years old, and Abuk, who's the wife, was 31. 31, bro. Abuk, what the hell, man? I'm not Abuk, sorry. Hakimi, what the hell? Anyway, it is what it is. To each their own. Um, as they head towards separation, Abuk, now 36. I don't blame the guy, even if he cheated, man. Damn. 36. And Spain receiving an equal share of Hakimi's 70 million euros fortune. 70 million. However, documents reveal that all of the assets are registered under his mother's name. Under his mother's name, leaving a book with no legal claim to them. And I hear they have two kids. So, look, if Hakimi did what he did, that's selfish of him and that's irresponsible of him because you have two kids, man. Think about your children. Is this an example you want to set for them? But like if you didn't, it's an issue because women tend to do this, they don't trust their partners and they just all of a sudden once they hear of some allegation they're like, oh, okay, divorce time, because they know they're gonna make something at the end of the day if they divorce. So what happened to the marriage vows? Till death do us part, in sickness and in health, in poor and rich, or however they say it. Man, this chicken is it's taking a lot of space in my stomach. Um, so according to the story here, in an unusual arrangement, whenever Hakimi needed something, he requested it from his mother. So his mom keeps all his money, who then purchases it for him. A lot of feminists there are calling him a mama's boy. Dude is smart, okay? It's like he's like he it's like he sensed that this was gonna happen. Or he knew this was gonna happen at some day. Or maybe he seen other people that have been affected and he's like, well, I better protect myself. So or maybe he cheated and he's like, oh shit, if she finds out, I guess. So who knows? Who knows? I don't know, man. I don't know who's lying who, so I can't really say. But like, if he's 100% innocent, then wow, he has my full support, man. Like that's a W for him. It's crazy how women will divorce you and just take like almost everything from you, render you completely useless. Like literally, you have to start again, and then you're already older, and it's like it's almost over for you. So it's awesome when I see stuff like this. So when I saw it this morning, I was just excited. I don't know, man. I was really happy for this guy. But if he did cheat, if he cheated, that's that's bad. That sucks. I'm against cheating. So just so you guys know. Before I end this, I just want to read this real quick. The 24-year-old footballer, he's 24-year-old, married to a 36-year-old woman. Not married anymore, I guess. 24-year-old football star appears to have no property, cars, jewel, under his name. So everything is under his mom's name. Smart. So I guess if his wife is worth more than him now, because everything's under his mom's name, is she gonna be the one to pay child support or everything else? We'll find out. But hey, thought I should let you guys know about this. It's awesome. Anyway, gotta go. Peace.